Welcome to this video, how to use a Visa card on Temu. Okay, so the process is really easy. So all you need to do is basically go through the Temu website and choose your products that you would like to buy. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to click onto this random product and then I'm going to select it right over here. Then you might need to do a verification. So I messed that up. So I need to do that again. So just complete the verification, just like they ask you. And then basically you want to click here where it says add to cart. And you just want to do that for all the products that you want to add. Okay, so then you will go to your cart once you finish shopping. And then on the cart page, so if I click onto my cart, you want to go to the checkout process, and what you want to do is select Visa. You can see payment methods, Visa. Then you will continue to the payment options, and what you want to do is you want to select add a payment method, and then basically you want to get your Visa gift card ready. Then you want to enter in the 16-digit card number, the expiration, and the CVV code. Then you want to add that card to your Temu account, and then you'll be able to check out and use your Visa gift card on Temu. If this video helped you out, drop a like onto it, and I'll see you in the next one.